In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best mini drone in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which mini drone is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, HASAKEE Mini Drone. Light up the sky. The bright lights on Q9's drone release vivid neon green and blue light throughout the entire frame, giving you an intense illuminating effect as well as an unforgettable flight experience. It also comes with 3 different display modes for light. We're sure it'll amaze you. Secure and strong, the streamlined design and the 4 propeller guards guarantee a safe flight that protects your children to prevent injuries to their bodies from spinning propellers. The highest quality ABS material can withstand many accidents or drops. Highly robust and reliable drone suitable for children and beginners. User-friendly. 1. You can launch, land, or return the drone by pressing just one button. 2. There are 3 speeds to select, no matter the level of players, whether they are beginners or experienced. 3. There is no need to worry about identifying the direction under headless mode. 4. The altitude hold feature lets your drone automatically hover within the sky. Even if you don't use the controller, all these features allow the drone to be extremely user-friendly for beginners. Double time to fly includes 2 PCS batteries. The player will enjoy more time to play. Multiple operating tricks, with 360-degree flips and auto-rotation functions to enhance the flight experience, good toy for children. Here is the item number 4, Holystone Mini Drone. A lot more fun than other drones. The drone can do toss to launch as well as circle fly 3D flips, and auto-rotation. All kids will enjoy it. Speed can be altered according to the pilot's flying skills. It is user-friendly. User-friendly altitude hold function allows the aircraft to hover at a fixed height without a problem. In headless mode, it is possible to fly directions in the direction that pilots are facing and provides a safe fly experience for children, beginners, or newbies. 3 batteries extend flight time. The flight time can be up to 21 minutes. Don't regret a dying battery or waiting to charge. Also, the low battery alarm takes care of worries of loss or damage caused by power failure. Mini and portable. This friend will bring players lots of fun at parties or fishing, school or hiking, long trips, and so on. It is a great birthday, Christmas, or holiday gift for kids or friends. Propellers are fully protected. They are protected by the guard, which shields children from spinning propellers, and also shields the drone from being damaged. The item number 3, Potensic Mini Drone. Easy to play, 1 key to landing and taking off and auto-hovering feature allow this drone to fly easily and remain at the current altitude. It is suitable for children and novices who want to operate the drone using a throttle. 3 battery for more entertainment time, comes with 3 drone batteries. This micro drone will extend the time you can fly to 15 to 18 minutes. Spend more time having fun with your family or your loved ones. Headless mode will not lose direction, and you can fly your drone without having to worry about which direction it's in. A great present for children with more exciting features like headless mode, 3 speeds, adjustable speeds, remote control, 3 speeds adjustable other features, and more, making the A20 drone a perfect gift for children. Take one home and delight your children with this awesome toy drone. Durable and safeguard design. 4 propeller guards are designed to keep the drone protected from harm during indoor flight. In addition, it protects the child's hands, the wall, and furniture from propellers. Number 2 in our list, Holystone Mini Drone. The altitude hold function. This powerful altitude hold feature that holds the air pressure allows you to depress the throttle stick while the drone will continue to hover at its current height. It is foldable and simple to carry. Mini quadcopter. This model can be folded into a controller that is tiny and simple to carry. 1 key takeoff and landing. The drone automatically hovers at an altitude that is set after taking off and landing, making it simple to maneuver and manage, particularly for those who aren't yet proficient. The headless mode as well as 1 key return allow players of all levels to fly and control the drone with ease. 1 key return when you press this button while in headless mode and the drone will return to you. High-speed rotation, a new and intriguing feature. The drone can make a 360 degrees circular motion as well as fly at high speed, providing you with a unique and exciting experience. The drone can continue at a steady level even while your hands are off the controller. It is extremely easy to control for novices. The drone can perform turns in 4 directions. The top one in our list, DEERC Mini Drone. HD live videos and HD pictures. D20 is equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera for more stunning aerial images and videos. With the FPV technology, you can observe the sky through the live video feed via the smartphone app. The best drone toy for kids flies. D20 is a simple to use drone to use. Simply press the 1 key start or landing button and begin the fly. Altitude hold allows you to keep it at a particular level, making it a breeze to control and shoot HD footage. Secure and powerful features include a low-power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards that ensure safety during flight. 2 powerful and rechargeable batteries allow up to 20 minutes of flight time to recharge safely and allow you to fly for longer. 3-dimensional flips, as well as waypoints. Fly. By pushing the control sticks backward, you can create a stunning flip, drawing the flight route on your smartphone, and the drone will follow the course, making your flight more enjoyable. The gesture selfie feature in voice control. You can control the drone by making simple voice messages such as takeoff or landing. Post a V-shaped sign or palm in the direction of the camera. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best mini drone amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.